with dirty hands pointing fingers. Got knocked with a brick and got it dropped to a misdemeanor. Birds of a feather flock together, singing any season. Opportunity was right, is that your only reason? Let me take you back to old school teachings I was taught. A fish with a closed mouth don't get caught. If you taking bait, well damn dog, that's your own fault. Loyalty is priceless and never to be bought. Boss jealousy's a feminine trait, you're throwing salt in the game of a man, cause you couldn't walk the walk. Listen, dry snitching leave you crispier than fried chicken. Around here, even kinfolk could get to missing. Loose lips, sink ships, take or be taken. These are the rules of the street, yeah, don't break them. Honoring my character until I'm dead and buried. I live by the motto, never canary.
Save yourself, for the devil's on his way. So you pray, so you pray, but you can't hide. You can't hide when evil calls your name.
Wanna know a man's character? Watch who he's eating with. Speaking for and speaking with, and who he is when no one's looking. Can he do his time? A name drop in central booking. Singing like a bird on the wire until he gets to cooking. Stool pigeons never soar with the eagles. You're a gossip girl, you must be stricter than Kegels. There's levels to this game and I'm just showing you evil. The sequel, unequal to the harshness. Even your shadow leaves you alone in the darkness. Under the night sky that seems to be starless. For your freedom you done turned into a harlot, blowing like a professional R&B artist. The hardest part is that you lost credibility. Fruitful in the game and now you lost your fertility. Protective custody is cutting your mobility. Until I'm dead and buried, never canary, huh?